Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into an amazing list of innovative devices designed to enhance your everyday life. But there's one particular gadget that will leave you in awe. Imagine a device so compact and lightweight that it fits in your pocket, yet powerful enough to capture stunning aerial footage with ease. This tiny marvel operates autonomously, tracking your movements and recording every moment in crisp detail. Stay with us until the end to discover this groundbreaking piece of technology and see how it can revolutionize the way you capture your adventures. Don't miss out. Looking for a reliable power station for load shedding? Meet the Romoss Thunder RS 1000, a versatile power station designed for various environments, from construction sites to home use. Equipped with multiple input and output ports, including 2 Type-D plugs, USB-A, USB-C, and a 12-volt socket, it's suitable for a variety of devices and small appliances. The RS 1000 delivers a steady 1,000 watts output, with a peak of 2,000 watts, though it's best not to push it to its limits continuously. Its 933 watt-hour ternary battery can handle typical load-shedding durations, powering multiple devices quietly thanks to its efficient cooling system. Charging options include mains, solar, and car sockets, with mains charging being the fastest at up to 150 watts, fully charging the battery in a few hours. Additional features include a built-in LED light and a wireless charging pad for convenience. While the RS 1000 boasts extended battery life and durability, it lacks an app for usage tracking, providing information through a small display screen instead. For iPhone photographers seeking to elevate their creativity, the LensCase is a game changer. This 5-in-1 carbon fiber phone case features 4 high-quality lenses: fisheye, 10x macro, 30x macro, 2x telephoto, and a wide-angle CPL polarizing filter, transforming your iPhone into a versatile photography tool. Available on Kickstarter, the LensCase allows iPhone users to capture stunning, detailed images. The 10x and 30x macro lenses offer precision focus for intricate details, while the telephoto lens provides 2x optical magnification, ideal for travel and landscape photography. The fisheye lens adds an ultra-wide perspective, and the CPL filter reduces glare for dynamic shots with richer colors. Compact and sleek, the LensCase features a durable carbon fiber back cover that is shock-absorbent and scratch-resistant. Its innovative sliding system lets you switch between lenses effortlessly, and the magnetic lens cover keeps them safe from damage. DJI has made content creation easier with the DJI Mic 2, their next-gen wireless microphone system. For those who know audio quality is as crucial as video, the DJI Mic 2 is transformative. The DJI Mic 2 enhances this with a charging case, 2 transmitters, and a receiver for superior audio capture. Each transmitter includes a built-in microphone, 8 GB of storage, and a 3.5mm jack for external mics. You can record directly or sync audio wirelessly using the receiver. The charging case keeps your gear ready and organized. The DJI Mic 2 features a robust build for durability and offers 32-bit float audio for unmatched post-production flexibility, ensuring clear audio even when recording levels aren't optimal. Setting up is simple. Simply attach transmitters using built-in magnets or clips, or use a lavalier mic for a discrete setup. Compatible with smartphones, cameras, and drones, it offers extended battery life of 18 hours and AI-powered noise reduction for clear audio in any environment. For diving enthusiasts, the LEFEET S1 Pro underwater scooter offers impressive performance in a compact, lightweight package. Building on the success of the original S1, the S1 Pro excels in several areas, making it ideal for scuba divers and snorkelers. Weighing just 5.5 pounds, the S1 Pro is lighter than many other diver propulsion vehicles, or DPVs, and fits into a small backpack with other diving gear. Despite its lightweight, it performs on par with heavier, more expensive scooters. The S1 Pro features 3 adjustable speeds for a smooth underwater ride. The middle speed lets divers outpace others without a scooter. The high speed offers a thrilling fast drift dive experience, and the low speed is perfect for leisurely snorkeling. Battery life ranges from 45 to 70 minutes, depending on usage, and the battery is easily removable for extended use. Its small size and lightweight make it ideal for clipping to a buoyancy control device or BCD during scuba dives, freeing up hands when not in use. Safety features include durable construction and a negative buoyancy design, meaning it will sink if not secured. The scooter has a restraining strap to prevent accidental loss, and an optional dive fin provides added buoyancy. The device also fits into a small backpack, and its battery can be carried on a plane as hand luggage. The modular design allows for different grip configurations and the potential to mount 2 units together for increased thrust. Glide effortlessly through water with the lightweight LEFEET S1 Pro underwater scooter, enhancing your diving and snorkeling experiences. This is just one of the amazing gadgets we've reviewed. Stay tuned for more exciting devices. Like, subscribe and comment below to let us know which gadget you're excited to try. Need a durable and stylish external drive? The LaCie Rugged USB-C combines utility and style. Known for robust designs, LaCie's 5TB USB-C drive stands out with RAID and SSD options available. With USB-C, it ensures compatibility with the latest devices and seamless connectivity with USB 3.0 and Thunderbolt 3. Built for durability, it is drop, shock, dust, and water-resistant, ideal for on-the-go professionals. The drive supports AES 256-bit encryption and is bus-powered, needing no external power source. It offers speeds up to 130 megabytes per second read and write, suitable for large files and 4K video editing. Features include a built-in Thunderbolt cable, USB-C and USB-C to USB-A cables for extensive compatibility. It withstands drops up to 6.5 feet and can endure being crushed by a 1-ton car. Introducing Gitit MAX, the revolutionary fetch toy for dogs. This toy launches a ring with top spin up to 250 feet, providing an exhilarating chase. Designed for active dogs and large outdoor spaces, Gitit MAX offers a slobber-free experience with its hands-free loading mechanism. Stand the ring upright, load it, and launch. Unlike balls, the ring hops, bounces, and travels faster and farther, making fetch more exciting. Gitit MAX gives your dog a full workout in minutes, perfect for busy owners. Made from dog-safe, durable, and flexible material, the launcher and ring are built to last. The design makes it fun to throw, encouraging extended playtime without the mess. Discover bird species effortlessly with the BirdWeather PUC by Scribe Labs. This portable recorder captures bird sounds and uploads them for identification when you return home, eliminating the need for battery-draining apps. Compact and easy to carry, the PUC runs on 3 AA batteries or USB-C power for up to 48 hours. It features dual microphones, GPS, and environmental sensors, capturing data processed by the BirdNet neural network to identify over 6,000 bird species and other sounds. Ideal for backyard birding, hikes, or remote fieldwork. The weatherproof PUC stores data on a microSD card for easy access. As we've mentioned earlier, the HoverAir X1 by 00 Robotics is an innovative selfie drone. Compact and lightweight, it records 2.7K video at 30 frames per second and offers intelligent flight paths like orbit, follow, and hover, perfect for personal use and social media content. Folding to just 5 by 3.4 by 1.2 inches and weighing 4.4 ounces, it's easy to carry. It features a 2-button control system and an intuitive app for Android and iOS. With a 9 to 10 minute battery life, it's designed for quick, easy use. The X1 uses visual inertial odometry, or VIO, for positioning, but lacks GPS and collision avoidance. Its camera captures 12 megapixels photos and videos, stabilized by a 2-axis gimbal and electronic image stabilization. Despite its limitations, the X1 is user-friendly, safe, and competitively priced, making drone photography accessible to everyone. Hey everyone! Thanks for sticking around for this video. If you found this helpful or entertaining, subscribing to the channel is a fantastic way to stay in the loop. I'm constantly creating new content, and I'd love for you to be a part of the community. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll dive into a certain advanced robot vacuum and mop combo, which features a powerful suction and innovative mopping technology to ensure spotless floors with minimal effort. This device is sure to impress. See you soon.